We have already learned the activities of the agricultural practices. First, four activities, that is preparation of the soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, then irrigation. The fifth activity of agricultural practice is protection from weeds. Look at this crop field. In this rice field, we can see some unwanted plants also along with the crop plants. These are called weeds. Here in this rice field, some other plants are also there. These plants are called weeds. These weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light. That means these weeds are absorb the nutrients, water, etc., which is essential for plant growth. In this way, they affect the growth of crops. Some of these weeds are poisonous to the animals and humans also. So, the removal of weeds is very essential. Weeds means the unwanted plants grown along with the crop plants. And the process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Farmers adopt different methods for the removal of weeds and controlling their growth. First method is tilling before sowing. Tilling or plowing, the process that we know, the turning of the soil. Tilling before sowing helps in uprooting and killing of weeds. During the process of plowing, the unwanted plants in the field may become uprooted and gradually they dry up and get mixed with the soil. In that way, the farmers destroy the unwanted plants in the field. Second method for the removal of weeds is by uprooting the plants manually or using khurpi. Just uprooting the plants means simply plucking the plant. Another method, removal, including using a tool called khurpi. The third method of removal of the weeds is by using certain chemicals called weedicides. Weedicides means these are the chemicals used to destroy the weeds from the field. 2,4-D is an example of a weedicide. 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. These chemicals, after diluting with water, are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. They do not cause any damage to the crop plants. But these weedicides have one disadvantage. During the spraying of weedicides, the farmers may inhale these chemicals and affect the health of the farmers. Hence, they should cover their nose and mouth with a piece of cloth during spraying of these chemicals. These are the different methods of the removal of the weeds. First one, tilling before sowing. Second, manual removal of weeds by uprooting the plants or using a tool called khurpi. And the third method is using the chemicals called weedicides.